You guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you some of the edible plants that I'm growing in my small east-facing patio garden. But please stay until the end because I'll be making Pad Kaprao musab, one of my favorite stir-fries using the fragrant red and green holy basil from my garden. I planted these in early May. I'm not sure what variety they are because I mixed all of my cucumber seeds together. I guess we'll have to wait and see. I need to figure out a trellising system for this small space though. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments below. A few months back, I harvested a few seeds from store-bought chili peppers. Here's an unofficial update on them. They seem to be happy in the east-facing sun. Some of them are growing a bit slower than others, probably because of their placement on this east-facing patio. The sun hits them a bit different throughout the morning. These guys are growing so slowly from seed, but we'll get there. The holy basil smells incredible. A few great dishes come to my mind, and I'll be harvesting some later to make a tasty stir-fry, so stay tuned. The red holy basil is identical to the typical green one, just as fragrant, and I can't really tell the difference. It seems like the more you pick them, the more they grow. Have you ever had this before? I like to stir fry them with a bit of oil, salt, and water. It turns the water a bright magenta color. If you've watched my lemongrass propagation video, here's an unofficial update on them. They've grown quite a bit since that video. They'll continue to get taller and grow new stalks. These are from cuttings, called rice paddy herbs because that's where they can be found in Asia, and they love a lot of moisture. They smell lemony and a bit earthy, and taste great in fish recipes. Also from cuttings, they took a bit to fill up this planter, but we're getting there. I planted this from seed last July and it's been thriving. The more I pick from it, the more it grows. I'll definitely be growing more next year. These are pea eggplants that I planted from seed. They can grow up to 5 feet and will bear a lot of fruit, hopefully, eventually. These are also from seeds, but I started them a bit late. Hopefully I'll get some eggplant before this growing season ends. And scallions are the easiest things to grow from cuttings. My main kaffir lime trees put out some new growth here, And these are the little ones that I planted from seeds back last winter. There's a bit of sun scalding on the leaves, but they seem pretty happy to finally be outdoors. These mints are all from little cuttings I got from my mom's house. They exploded, and for that reason, will be grown in this planter to avoid their invasive nature. They keep coming back every year. I'll be harvesting some holy basil, also known as kaprao, to make Pad Kaprao. One of my favorite quick stir-fries that will have you clearing a plate of rice easily. Here we have it, holy basil stir-fry with pork, Pad Kaprao หมูสับ. I hope you enjoyed this edible plant tour video and this delicious dish. Please give this video a like and leave me a comment below. I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.